welcome back to my channel. It's Taya Nicole here, and we're back with another video. In today's video, we are reviewing Gorgius hair. It's a hair company that's pretty big on TikTok. They advertise like curly, kinky curly, or just loosely curly wigs that don't require any glue or anything. It's just like a wig that you just plop on your head and you just go. So that's the wig we're reviewing today. I think they sent me the one that's pretty popular right now. I've been watching a few of their TikTok videos and I've seen this one a lot. I wanted to receive the one that was 16, but I think I received the one that was 12. So it's a pretty short wig. I already unboxed it, I already looked at it, I already tried it on. I just wanted to sit down on camera and just show you guys what the wig looks like, because I am getting ready to record a TikTok video of this wig. So I kind of just want to sit down and just get ready with you guys. Obviously I'm already dressed. I have like this little cheetah print dress on, or yeah, I guess it's cheetah print, I don't know. And I already have the wig cap on my head. I already twisted my hair up. I already did my makeup and stuff. So I kind of just want to sit down, just do a little unboxing. Want to put the wig on, get ready and stuff, and then I'm going to record a TikTok video for you guys. So if you guys do not follow me on my TikTok is taya.nicole_. So if you guys want to see the review on there, make sure you check that out, because I believe that video will be out first. Because this video here, the one I'm recording here on YouTube, it's not a paid partnership. The one that is gonna be on TikTok. So yeah, this is just me showing you guys, you know, the behind the scenes of the TikTok video. So yeah, I kind of already played in the wig already. This is what the wig looks like. I already took it. Came with this little net thing on here, and it came in this little cute little bag. So yeah, I already played with it a little bit. This is what it's looking like. It's really pretty. I like the curls. Yeah, I already wet it and, you know, applied mousse. I don't know. I wish I would have sat down and like had like my full reaction with you guys. But I was so happy, like it just came today and I was just so happy. I just wanted to see what it looked like on. So this is what it's looking like. It's really pretty. When I first opened it, it was a lot frizzier than this. This is like with it like styled. I had added the mousse. I used Diva Curls styling mousse on it, and just some water. So yeah, and then I like what do you call it? Then I diffused it. So this is what the wig is looking like. Really pretty curl pattern. The stitching on the inside looks like this. I hope I am recording, so I'm just gonna hold it up for a bit just to make sure I am recording. And yes, so you guys can kind of see that. It has this little band here, and then it has the clips on the side right here. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Came with the wig cap. It comes with 2 wig caps, and I already have one on my head. It also came with this little cute little stuff, and it also says their name on here, which is also cute. We got the little band. This is just extra band. I guess if the band like breaks off of there, like you have an extra one. And then it gave me it sent an edge brush, which is kind of interesting, because I'm like, what do we need an edge brush for if there's no edges on the wig? So I thought that was pretty interesting. But you know, I guess another edge brush, you can never have too many of those. And then we got these little plasticky clips. I don't know this ain't gonna hold my hair back at all, but maybe it will hold the wig's hair back, I don't know. Then we got some little bobby pins and some tweezers, which I also thought was pretty interesting. It sent tweezers. What are we tweezing? I don't know, but I guess free tweezers, cool. I'm not complaining. I just thought that was just really interesting, you know. So that's what all the wig came with. I also watched a few reviews on here. I mean, not on here, but on YouTube. And some people received earrings, and I want some earrings. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. But yeah, somebody received earrings, which I thought was pretty cool. But yeah, little items I received were pretty cute. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. It does shed a bit. It sheds a little bit, yeah. But the directions on how to like wear this wig, you're supposed to like just shake it out. And yeah, I'm starting to get some shedded hair from shaking it, but just kind of shake it. And I guess it's supposed to like give it volume and stuff. So I'm just gonna shake it really good for like, well, that was a little bit more than 5 seconds. But yeah, just shake it a little bit and kind of create that volume, you know. I used to have a wig head, but I donated that. Like, I don't know. I didn't think I was ever gonna wear wigs again. But yeah, I wish I had my wig head right now. So anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna shake it all real nice. It looks really good. The curls are like popping. I love the shape of the wig. As you can see, look, it looks really, really cute. Yeah, so I'm just gonna plop this on my head. Ooh, I gotta take off my head wrap. As you guys can see, look. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm kind of exposing myself a little bit. So, whew. My hair, it's not really like flat as I would like it to be. My hair was in a wash and go, and I kind of just threw some twist in and just called it a day so I can try this wig on. And guys, I don't know, but I feel like dyeing my hair again. I want to dye my hair black. I'm kind of over this brown ends because it's kind of starting to look dull, and it looks like my hair is damaged at the ends. So I kind of just want my hair to be one complete color, and I think I want to go black. So after this video, I'm most likely gonna go run to the beauty supply store before I record this TikTok video, because I want some black hair dye. So, guys, my head is super big, or maybe it's my hair too, like, cause look, you guys see that? Let me see if you guys see that. Look, do y'all see this? All my hair is sticking out. I don't know, I'm gonna push this thing in. Whew. Ooh. Okay. I think I got it on. How are we looking? How are we looking? I can't tell. Look back. Ooh, am I getting closer? Okay, we're gonna back up out of the camera. Oh my God. I don't know how I feel about this. This is cute. This is cute, guys. I don't know. How are we looking? I feel like I need a mirror. Let me go grab my mirror. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it's kind of cute. I'm kind of liking it. I feel like it kind of aged me a little bit. I feel like I look like somebody's auntie. I don't know. What y'all think? Do I look like somebody's auntie? I do not look like a 24-year-old girl. I look like I'm at least 30. 24-year-old girl. 24-year-old woman. I don't look like a 24-year-old woman. I think I'm okay, cause I don't think I like it like this. It's giving me 30-year-old woman. I don't know. I don't know. Let me see. What y'all think? Cute? Or doing too much? Let me see what y'all can see. Cute, cute. Like the curl pattern is everything. I feel like I look like somebody in the 80s. Or am I tripping? I don't know. When I look at myself in the mirror, I look good. When I look at myself in my watch, I feel like I'm looking crazy. But I won't know until I edit this video. We gonna see. Why is my watch talking to me? But yeah, I don't know. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. Let me get back to it. Okay, so I'm gonna sit this down here so I can kind of see how I want to style it. Cause I think I want to do like a side part. I think I want to do a side part with this. I think this little brush thing is gonna come in handy today, y'all. I'll brush some of this hair over. Yeah, it's giving me 80s. Oh yeah, this wig. It's cute. It's real cute, but it's really giving me 80s. Let me see. But I'm kind of feeling it. I'm kind of feeling it, y'all. I'm kind of feeling it. It's doing something now. The volume. Oh, y'all see that volume? It looks real good. Hold on, guys. Let me just give it a second. Give it a second. Let it sink in. Because, you know, I'm so used to my afro. Seeing me in this little curly textured wig, I'm like, I don't know. But, you know, it's always good to try something new, y'all. It's always good. Okay? I don't know how I feel. That look cute. Am I ready for summer? Am I ready for the club? Actually, I kind of do look like I'm ready for the club. Kind of do. I got on this little short mini skirt, but I ain't got no shoes on or nothing. So I'm just kind of sitting in the house chilling because I know for sure I am not going anywhere. Not. Staying in this house. I wasn't even going to record this video today. I was kind of just going to enjoy my Friday. I finally got a Friday off. Usually I work Fridays, and I just been sitting in the house chilling, and I'm just been bored. Like, there's nothing else to do but record a video, so yeah. I'm kind of feeling myself, y'all. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, maybe. Do I look like do I look old? Because I feel like I do. Or does it look cute? I don't know. We'll see. I want to get my husband's reaction, so I'll record that. I'll record my husband's reaction of this wig. He just finished work, and he's bringing us home some food. We're gonna get Impossible burgers from The Habit. I am so tired of The Habit, but this man just loves The Habit for some reason. I'm tired of eating it. I'm tired of smelling it. I'm tired. I'd rather eat In-N-Out. but he doesn't like In-N-Out. And plus, In-N-Out's pretty far. I think that's why we eat the Habit all the time, because it's literally down the street. Why can't it be an In-N-Out though? You know. I just can't keep my hands out of this hair. I'm gonna go look in the bathroom mirror really quick and I'll come back.